Fix: a driver cannot load on this device, iqvw64e.sys, error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Update Intel driver. You can try using Windows Update feature, which may or may not be successful in finding the latest drivers for your system. If that didn't work, Fix 2. Use auto runs. Select the right version, autoruns.exe if you are using 32-bit Windows, or go for autoruns64.exe if you are using 64-bit Windows. Right-click on the correct exe file and select Run as administrator. Press Win+E on your keyboard and navigate to the following location. Make sure hidden files are visible. Fix 3. Uninstall the most recent Windows Update workaround.